Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A bright little drawing box is waiting quietly, like a tiny stage before the show begins. Nothing is inside yet, but that makes it exciting. The paper whispers, "Come on, little friend, it is time to appear." A big round curve swoops onto the page, and a soft curly puff pops up on top. It looks like a cheerful cloud decided to sit on a ball. The little creature is beginning to wake up with a bouncy curl. The round body is now complete, smooth and squishy like a balloon full of giggles. The curly tuft rests proudly on top, saying, "Ta-da! Our tiny friend does not have a face yet, but it already feels very cute."
Yay!
Pointy ears appear on both sides, standing up like little party hats. The round friend suddenly looks curious, as if it heard a funny sound. Maybe someone nearby opened a cookie jar, and those ears perked up fast.
Wow!
Dark little triangles fill the ears, making them look cozy and complete. Our fluffy friend is still mostly a simple outline, but now it has style. The curl bounces, the ears wiggle, and the page feels full of cheer. Two big, sparkling eyes appear, round as shiny marbles. They look upward with wonder, as if the little puffball has just spotted a rainbow jelly bean. The eyes make everything feel magical, silly, and ready for adventure. A tiny, smiling mouth arrives under the bright eyes. Now the little creature can say hello without using words. Its smile is gentle and sweet, like it wants to invite every child to laugh, draw, and imagine together. A small arm pops out on one side, like a friendly wave. "Hi there," the puffball seems to say. It looks ready to give a tiny high five, or maybe flap around happily like a round little bird in a cartoon. Another little arm appears on the other side, and now the puffball can wiggle both arms with joy. It looks extra playful, almost like it is saying, "Draw with me. We are making something wonderful together." A curved little foot begins to grow near the bottom, helping our round friend stand up. The body leans with a funny bounce, as if it is practicing a dance step called the wiggle hop. What a silly move. Both feet are now showing, soft and oval, ready for tiny tiptoe steps. The puffball looks balanced and proud. It can march, hop, or spin in place, though it might roll around laughing if it moves too fast. A few cute curved marks appear on the side, like tiny fingers or soft cheeky stripes. The little friend seems even more alive now. It might be giggling quietly, trying not to burst into a big cartoon laugh. The drawing lines become cleaner and clearer, and the ears look bright and open again. Our puffball friend stands sweetly, with huge eyes and a peaceful smile. It is almost ready for its big, colorful surprise. The little body looks neat and finished, with arms, feet, ears, eyes, smile, and curl all in place. The character waits patiently, like it knows the artist is about to bring out the crayons. Something pink is coming. The final outline is tidy and charming, and every part is ready for color. The puffball looks straight ahead with sparkly eyes, almost whispering, "Please make me bright, soft, and wonderful." The magic moment is very close. Hooray! The little puffball becomes rosy pink, with shiny black eyes, soft cheeks, and a cheerful round body. It looks cuddly, funny, and proud of its drawing adventure. From an empty square, a happy friend has appeared.